All right, this was part of my paid program that I used to charge for. I'm giving it away to you for free. Why? Because too many good men are stuck grinding it out, and I'm sick of fake coaches feeding you guys bullshit when you deserve more. This training actually works. Watch it, take notes, and implement it. And if you're serious, join my community, the Brotherhood, or book a call. Everything's down below in the description. Let's get into the training. Let's go. Yo, what's going on, guys? How you doing? It's Jay, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the cover templates inside of the program. Literally below this video, there's going to be a link. You literally going to click that, sign up to Canva. There's a special deal with one of my links. You can definitely find that out as well. If not, you can use a free account. Jump into your Canva and then add this template to your workspace. Once you've done that, this will, it's very, very easy to do. You literally just click the link and it will just ask you, do you want to join this template? You just click yes. Then you can come into what we call the highlight cover templates. These are all editable. See if I can pull up one of my clients or even my own and show you what I mean by these. Probably I'm going to use one of my clients, which is probably, let's just use Wise Guys. There's theirs. You can see they've got them there. If we look at Darian's out in USA. He's used them there. Let's look at the GU room. These guys have used them as well. So it's the same template, but they just changed the colors and then just adapted them or made them in their own style. I won't show you too many. Just wanted to show you how we use them. Now what I'm going to do is show you how we can change them and adjust them. Now, if you look on screen, can you see like this cloud? What this is it's a frame, which means if I go to uploads, I can take any picture and just drag and drop it and then readjust it inside of that frame. So the first one is generally used for a profile picture. I'll just label these for you. If you want to change or adjust the thing behind, you know, the border, you can remove the border. Of course you can. You can do something special with it. You can put your own, literally you can put your own color. So you can have it with a red border, a black border, whatever you want to do. You can make it, you can make a square, you can do absolutely what you want. I've just done these are very, very basic and just to get you started. So this is the profile picture. Here is like a cuts photo. So what you could literally do again. So the icon, let's say, for example, you don't like that clipper. Okay, no problem. What you can do is click elements and then put in barber clipper, press enter, click graphics. And then let's say, for example, you want to use this clipper, right? So you can click that, delete it, and then you come up to here where it's color, press white, and that will change it white. And then you can literally just resize it to fit in to your circle. And obviously these are with borders, right? So your border, remember, what did we do this one? We did this one red. So let's do this properly. So I'd probably make this a little bit bigger to match what we've got going on down there. So something like that. Obviously you can play about with it. I don't want to fiddle on with it too much, but yeah, you get the idea, right? Don't worry about the background. Don't worry about that for now. If you're going to have a whiteboard, that's fine. So you can go through and edit these. If you've got any questions, please reach out to me. How do you download these and add these to Instagram is another great question. Literally come up here, click share, you click download, and you can download all of them as a zip folder, which is okay. But I generally just like to do it like this. So I just unclick all pages and then I just download them one by one to save me unzipping them. And then what I do is either send them to yourself on Instagram or Facebook through Messenger or one of your friends so you can download it straight to your phone. Then you go into your bio and create your highlights. Sorry, go into your profile, create your highlights, and then literally add your highlights to your story, create them as a new highlight, and then you can add this as a highlight cover photo image. So that's how it is. It's very, very simple. If you get stuck or confused or lost at any point, just let me know. Reach out to me or one of my team, or again, reach out to the community. You can engage with the community. Everyone who is already in the community would have gone through this process, and I'm more than happy to help you out. I know that every single person in my community is all about helping and sharing and networking with other people. So yeah, literally that's how you do it. Otherwise, get this done now, get these highlights done, get your next transformation post set up, and then we can start talking about scripting the ad and smash the game. Let's go. All right, if you enjoyed that video and found it valuable, don't just watch and bounce. I drop real content every single week that actually helps you scale your business. None of that recycled bullshit that the fake gurus are trying to sell you for a high price. So if you're serious about building a business that runs without you, subscribe so you never miss the next video. Drop a comment down below with what hit hardest and what you're working through right now so I can help you out. And follow me on Instagram at jadams.uk for behind the scenes, mindset, family life, and all the other raw stuff I don't post here. Also, feel free to join my brotherhood community, links in the description, or if you're serious about stepping up, then book a call with me down below to explore joining the Business Owner Builder Elite Program. Let's go, guys. Real men, real business, real growth. I'll see you in the next video.
Let's go.